Welcome to the video Costello!
You want to go to Chuck E. Cheese for dinner and play?
Yes.
Let's do it, okay?
We're going to Chuck E. Cheese.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
We told her we were going to church. It's Friday night. Why would we go to church? Why would we go to church on a Friday night? Go ahead, Gracie.
Oh, it smells like gumballs.
Ooh, sweet mama.
I told you this.
Okay, baby girl. Go ahead, honey. What's going on, man? Whoop, how are you?
Good, pretty good. Let's do it. There we go.
Nice, thank you, sir. Hi guys, so we just got here at Chuck E. Cheese. We're gonna find a place to sit, we're gonna order, then we're gonna get playing around, okay? Let's see this little one.
Go, go. Go. Wait. No, you go. Why are you looking, Doc? No. No.
Get those ducks, get those ducks.
Maximum chicken satisfaction now.
Oh no, get out of there! Get! No. Look at that cake, Gracie. Isn't that an awesome cake? Look at that. I gotta touch it, touch it. Yeah. So how you doing, Dillon?
Good.
Doing good?
Hey.
Hey, how are you? I still owe you some silly string, don't I?
Oh, yes, you
I do owe you some silly string.
You seriously.
That I certainly do. Crazies.
Alright guys, we are going to get ready for some fireworks that will be really cool. Guys, here's the aftermath with all of the smoke behind here. Yeah, it's flipping crazy. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Click subscribe, smash that like button. Thank you.